My dear students, I am going to explain you that is centrifugal force a force of reaction? No, it is not so. Because you know that centripetal force is the force which is acting towards the center by the object moving. Yeah, around the center, around the nucleus. Now, if an observer is moving with the object along it on the circular path, then he just experiences a centrifugal force. That means the force which is acting away from the center, which is acting away from the center. Yeah, and that is only centrifugal force, which is just equal in mass and opposite in direction of the central force. But since here the observer who is assuming that he is getting a force acting on him, but at the same time on an object two forces, action and reaction, cannot take place on the same object. Yeah, and that's why if centripetal force is an action, centrifugal force is not a reaction, because both cannot take place on the same object which is in motion with the object on the circular path. And that's why this centrifugal force is simply a fictitious, that means assumed, an imaginary, not real force. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.